my hair because I mean I don't want it on my braids anymore.
This is from my exes when they want a second chance. I like proving niggas wrong. I do what they say.
Don't mind my pimple right there. I kind of like it because it looks like a dimple, but then at the same time, like, no.
A nigga on red, cause I felt like it. Dress me down in that red Saint Laurent jacket. Dapper, I look fine, and my checks still fine. No wonder why I do whatever I like. I do what I like, I do. What I like, I do. What I like, I do.
Then what I do is I put some of this, turn up the heat. It looks like this, and I just like to put this on because it gives it like a little bit of shine, and it makes it smell hollow bomb. So it makes my hair smell so fruity. It smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it. You guys would fall in love with it. But yeah, I like to like kind of mess with it, make it look like it's shiny. And then I like to add hairspray. By the way, the hairspray I use is this one right here because it smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. Like, extra bomb. And my hair doesn't get hard with that hairspray. It just stays in place. And it smells so good. That's why I like it. Okay. Ooh, look at my hair. It looks so good. Let me spray a little bit more. Kind of go through it. Kind of. Ooh, goddamn. My hair looks so bomb. Now I'm gonna do this side.
I want you to make it ring.
Should I go first? I can't decide. I want to, but a bitch got pride. Switching up shit is what I can't fuck with. I'm feeling you, but you hard to get in touch with. And you ain't hit me up in a while, acting like you don't know a number but a dial. You quit, then that's it. I'ma throw in the towel, cause a nigga only gon' do what you allow. You don't want this gun smoke. Learn to text with your nose if your thumb broke. I don't care if we get into it and I stall on your ass, but I still wake up to miss calls from your ass, nigga.
No more.
And then some hairspray.
God, who that don't blink in the cut? God, who got them freaks in the truck? God, them diamonds go hit like a bitch on a bitch ass bitch. Bitch, you a wanna be caught.
I just like to fix it, so I took it in my ears a little bit. I would love my hair to be like this all the time. Like, I would die for it. Okay guys, so this is my hair right here, and this is just like a short video of how my hair got to this and what I do to it. So if you guys would like to see how I do my makeup and all that, then I'll be having it up next week. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and next to the subscribe button there is a bell button. So if you press the bell button, you get notified every time I post, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.